When it comes to making better videos with Fliki AI, the process begins by transforming your ideas into engaging video logs. To embark on this journey, log in or sign up on the Fliki AI platform. Once you're logged in, follow a user-friendly sequence of steps to streamline the creation process. Initiate the procedure by choosing New File, where you'll input the file name, select Video, and click Create. Progress to the Convert option and choose Idea to Video. At this point, provide a detailed description of your idea, highlighting the crucial aspects that will shape the video. Select your preferred language and establish the style or tone that aligns seamlessly with your creative vision for the video. Specify the desired video length and click Submit to set the creation process in motion. Exercise patience for approximately a minute as Fliki works its magic, generating the video based on your input. Upon completion of the generation process, you gain the flexibility to further enhance and personalize your video. Elevate your video making experience with the innovative capabilities of Fliki AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!